Hi. Welcome to Tek Hobbies. This Photoshop tutorial is bit different and easy to make any type of chrome statue effect. So watch this video till the end. First of all, we'll crop out the subject from the background quickly. Then continue the real process.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Now, after the subject is cropped, go to the image menu, then adjustments, and select desaturate, or you can press Ctrl-Shift-U on keyboard. After desaturating the image, we'll smooth out detailed texture on the subject for a nice and clean effect. For that, we'll go to the filter menu, then blur, and select surface blur. Adjust the surface blur settings to the point where you can get a smooth skin without distorting the subject's facial features. Then press OK. Now, press the New Adjustment Layer button and select Gradient Map. Then select the layer we created and clip in it to the underneath layer by pressing and holding Alt key and clicking between the both layers. After that, double-click on the adjustment layer icon to open its settings. Then, click on the drop-down menu and select this gradient, having yellow, violet, orange and blue colors. Then make sure the reverse option is checked in the settings. Now, create a new adjustment layer of hue and saturation.
It sound right, boy.
Clip this layer also to the layer under it like before. And then change its blending options to color. After that, double-click on the layer icon to open its settings, then tick the colorize option on. Now adjust the saturation and hue slider to the desired color tone. I'll match it to the golden box to give gold effect. Our main chrome effect is ready, but it's still underexposed as compared to the golden metal box. To match that, we'll add a level adjustment layer between the both adjustment layers and increase its highlights and mid-tones until they match to the desired exposure. Now, I'll add a bottom part to the golden statue to make it attach to the golden metal box.
It sound right, boys.
Our golden statue is ready now. We can create different colors of this chrome effect very easily. For that, select all the working layers and convert them to Smart Object. Then duplicate this layer. Now, create a hue and saturation adjustment layer and clip it in. And make sure to select its blending options to color. Then you can adjust hue to create different colors of chrome. Or you can make it silver statue by reducing the saturation only. Hope you liked the tutorial. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more coming perks.
It sound right, boy.